All right, on this question, you have two neighboring island countries, right? They each have 4 million labor hours per month, right?
Yes,
To produce in each hour of labor.
because I'm so behind now.
You've got 5 per labor hour here, 20 per labor hour here, right? And then it tells you this is what they do without trade,
Yes.
right? And it gives you all the totals.
Yeah, I get that.
All right. Now you need to find out opportunity cost. So to do,
Give up to produce the other one.
so when I'm producing a bushel of rye, 5 divided by 5 would be 1. I'm giving up 4 pairs of jeans, right? 1 bushel of rye, 4 pairs of jeans.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All right. And in Arcadia, I'm giving up 2 pairs of jeans when I do 1 bushel of rye. Therefore, Arcadia has the opportunity, the lower opportunity cost, which gives them a comparative advantage. I'm sorry. Yes. And then that means Felicidad has the comparative advantage in the other one. So that's what they're going to specialize in. Okay? So they're going to specialize in that. And in that case, Arcadia, right, is going to produce 4 million labor hours times, so 32 million bushels, because you do 4 times 8.
All their resources is for one.
Yeah. And then they're going to do 4 times 20, which will be 80 million pairs of jeans per month. And now they're going to trade, right? So they're going to trade 18 bushels of rye out, and they're going to import 54 million pairs of jeans.
Yeah, this is where I have a problem. Like, if they're giving out 18, what are they giving out from? Is it from the 32?
From the 32.
So they give out 32, you take 18 from
32 minus 18.
And it gives you what you'll be left with?
Yeah, because 32...
14.
Yeah. All right. And now you got to remember, when they did not specialize, the total production of rye was 23 million bushels. Total jeans was 68. Now we're doing 32 million bushels, which is what, 9 million more and 12 million pairs of jeans more because before we traded, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is what they were producing right here, right? 15 million bushels of rye, 20 million pairs of jeans, 8 million, 48. So 15 plus 8 is 23. 20 plus 48 is 68. They're telling you that down here, right? Here. So 23 and 68. Now when we specialize, we're doing 32 and 80. So
You take the difference.
I took the difference between these two for this, and the difference between
The other two.
68 and 80 for 12.
So
And
that's how much they trade?
that's how much more we're producing in the world by specializing.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Right.
Now we're going to trade. So, how much rye is Felicidad producing? 0. Right? 0 now. And they're in jeans. And they're producing 32 and 0. Right? So we said Arcadia would produce rye. And so here we have the rye. We're going to import 18, bring it into our country, and we're going to export 54 pairs of jeans.
Wait, the 18 is from the other Arcadia guy?
Right. So we're going to import that from them because they're going to export 18.
18.
We're going to import 18.
Okay.
Right? And then we're going to export 54 Felicidad to Arcadia, and they're going to import the jeans because we specialize and then we trade. So now I have, in my country, I'm buying 18 million pairs of jeans, but I'm only getting, what, 26? Right?
Did you like subtract 54?
Yeah, 80 minus 54.
Where is the 80 from again? Up there?
Fully specializing.
Oh, up.
From here. This is what we're producing with trade. Okay? And then, now what? 14, right? 32 minus 18. 14. And now we have 54. So now we're looking at what's my increase in consumption, what's my gain from the trade. So I used to only have 15, now I have what? 18, so I gain 3 million pairs. I used to have 20, now I have 26, I gained 6 million pairs, that was 3 million bushels. Here I gained 6 million bushels, and difference between that is 6 million pairs.
How did you gain just 6? Because there we took 18 from...
I'm taking 14 from 8. It's consumption, see?
Oh, you took 18, okay, yeah.
Consumption, consumption. We're looking for increase in consumption. Okay? Not increase in production. We already did that right here. That was our increase in production. Now we're trying to find increase in consumption. There you go. And so that's, and what that shows you is now we are consuming outside of our actual frontiers.
And if you consume it outside, it's better.
It's better in terms of consumption, yes. We're consuming, usually we call these points in Chapter 3 unattainable. In Chapter 2 they were unattainable. Yeah. But with trade, they're attainable. Right? So we're doing something.
But you're doing something out of your margin. Is it because of the trade?
Yes.
Are you able to consume more?
Yep. Okay. Yep. Because we specialized and then trade, now we both get to consume at points outside of our margin. Which, if we didn't trade, we can only stay on our margin.